The Uganda National Teachers Union has today held an annual general meeting on the issues pertaining their savings and cooperative society. In this meeting, the members raised the issues of shares, funds, audit reports, and other technical issues within the circle.
We are still asking them to pay. So it's the money they took, the teachers' money, and they want it back. We are still following it.
On the performance, this year's performance.
Yeah, with this year's performance, there is an improvement compared to last year. First of all, in the membership, 2021, end of 2021, we had about 5,000 members. This year, so come 2022, the year in question for today, the membership is at 6,116. So there is growth in the membership, and also in the loan portfolio there is also growth, and we have the loan portfolio has grown by 100 million shillings. With that we mean the money with the teachers in form of loans has grown by 100 million shillings.
According to the audit findings in the year 2022, the circle has grown its membership from 5,725 to 6,116 in 2022 and from 2.7 billion to 2.8 billion in asset ratio. However, loans which were in arrears are mostly from the board members, which puts the circle at risk.
About 4,000 members, but today I'm glad that after 10 years, the circle has greatly grown with a membership of over 6,000 members. Today we have been having our AGM, and I would like to thank the members for the wonderful resolutions that we passed, more especially by allowing to generate our own revenue locally without extending.
Mr. Baguma Philbert, the General Secretary, urges members to buy more shares in order to boost an increase on income inflows within the circle.
A number of our members, the teachers, who are suffering with loans from financial institutions, and these are at a very high interest rate, as opposed to ours, which is 15% per annum, a 1.5% per month. And therefore, my word is to encourage all teachers to join the UNATU Circle so that we can combine our resources together and bail out ourselves from the current slavery which we are in these financial institutions that are cheating us left and right.
The meeting ended by giving awards to the best performing regions and performers in the circle. Nagujja Serena, Beg Television.